Meaning of induna.
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 Induna. Induna is a Zulu word, which refers to a leader or chief of a tribe or a group. The term is also used to describe a person who holds a high position of authority within a company or organization. The role of an induna is to provide guidance and direction to those under their leadership, as well as to act as a liaison between the group and other parties. In traditional Zulu culture, an induna was highly respected and played a vital role in maintaining social order and resolving disputes.